Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing some more little altered paper clip type doodahs and reminding everyone that there is still time to get in on the swap. We're all going to do a swap, and I've got, I think 8 or 9 ladies signed up already, so you've still got time. These only take a short amount of time to make. They're cheap, they're easy, they're super fun. So let's get in on this. Last night I had just a little bit of time, so I decided to make some more because they're just so much fun. And I'll just go through really quick and just show you what I did. These are those Tim Holtz little journal type tag cards that have words written on both sides. So I just distressed those a little bit. I cut up a little bit of scrap. I think it's a big doily that I had that I believe Dolly gave me, and it was already coffee dyed, so that was cool. Wrapped up my paper clip in some coffee dyed muslin that I had laying around. Just cut it into strips. Added a little button with some baker's twine, and then added a few little charms here and there, and there's a bulb pin, of course. I was going to put something on the back, but I thought, you know, what if you wanted to attach it to a tag, maybe? That would look really cute. Or you could attach it to a journal page. That would look really cute as well. And then you could also, of course this is too big, but you could make that into a little tuck spot. Well, maybe it's not too big as well. Or, you know, you can just go just go totally fun. Use a decorative clip and clip it onto a page. There's just a lot of different things that you can do with these, I think, and they're just so much fun. So there's one, and I'll just hold these up really quick to show you. I just went through my scrap beads. I have a little drawer full of all kinds of little doodahs. This one, I hope the sun's still okay. This one says Brave, and this is like a fake old dog tag. So I thought that was pretty cute. And dogs do wander, don't they? So yeah, these are just really cute. Again, I just went through, that's like a piece of broken jewelry that I had. And the deadline for this is, let me get this one straight here so we can see it. There we go. The deadline is March 1st, I believe. I'll put the dates up. And then I'll draw for who swaps with who, and we'll get them all mailed out and such. That's an old zipper piece that I had. Who knows why I had it, but I did. And I thought it was kind of cool because the other side said autumn, and you know, you always want to wear your sweater when it's autumn. And enjoy spring, and I put a little hummingbird charm on that one. So there we go. These are just so much fun, you guys. I hope everybody gets into it. I know a few ladies have said, oh my gosh, I just can't. I understand. But if you do have an hour or so, join in our swap. I think it's going to be so much fun. So here's another entry. I'll be sure to put the dates up here somewhere. And make sure you use the hashtags as well on Instagram and on YouTube and such, so that we can, I make sure that I get your name on everything. All right, just a quick reminder, guys. Have fun creating. Bye.